when my mom was first diagnosed, I was 21. I had no idea what clinical trials were. I had no idea what multiple myeloma was. I didn't know any of these things. And the doctors said, basically, get your affairs in order. They caught it really late and she had high risk disease, right? So in an instant, in a moment, our lives were turned upside down. Now, the difference is when the doctor said, go home and get your affairs in order, right? What my mom ended up doing was going home and trying to find a clinical trial because my mom wasn't your typical patient. My mom had been an oncology nurse for over 30 years, right? So she'd been working in hematology. She was involved with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society. She was treating patients that had all these different types of blood cancers, like multiple myeloma. So she really had the clinical experience of understanding that. But she was also working at one of the largest biopharmaceutical companies at the time. So she had what we like to say the Rolodex that she could pick up the phone and call anybody from anywhere and really get a quick answer. Right. And those two things combined within 3 weeks, within 2 weeks, we were connected at a clinical trial down at the University of Arkansas. Within 3 weeks, she was enrolled. And I mean, that's 1,000 miles away, Dr. Joe. I mean,
Mm.
our lives are turned upside down. My mom has myeloma. We're living 1,000 miles away, but we got into a clinical trial. Right. Now, this is a photo of my mom as a patient, but what this clinical trial gave to us and gave to my mom was time, right? She was working. We were going on vacations. We were doing Sunday book clubs and having picnics.